Seniors eat this before bed to heal their eyes and vision while sleeping. Seniors spend billions of dollars each year on eye supplements, new glasses, and costly therapies, while huge pharmaceutical companies and clinics profit. But what if the solution has been lying in your refrigerator all along? You've been told that eyesight loss is caused by aging, that your foggy evenings, dry eyes, and murky mornings are typical is a deception, and research proves otherwise. New research shows that eating 8 specific foods immediately before bedtime can activate natural retinal repair while you sleep. But no one is telling elders why. Because repaired eyes do not require prescriptions, and the damage accumulates. You awaken to gritty dry eyes, streetlights, and fuzz. Reading becomes tiresome. Night driving becomes terrifying. It's more than just bothersome, it's dangerous. One of the leading causes of elderly persons losing independence is vision loss, but this countdown has the potential to reverse that. In this video, we will disclose 8 potent foods, rated from least to most effective, that can help reverse age-related eyesight loss beginning tonight. And the number 1 food. It is supported by a research that found a 53% reduction in eyesight loss after 10 years. Before we get started, tell us in the comments what symptom is troubling your eyes the most right now and what you generally consume before bed. We are reading and responding to every remark with tailored advice. Now, let's start with number 8, which almost everyone overlooks. 8 sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes have something exceptional that most people overlook. A distinct form of beta-carotene that your body turns into vitamin A, particularly during sleep cycles. This orange root vegetable contains 21,000 international units of vitamin A per cup, making it one of the most potent sources found in nature. When you eat sweet potatoes before bed, your liver initiates a curious mechanism that begins exactly 2 hours later. Beta-carotene molecules pass through the bloodstream and concentrate in the retinal tissue, where specialized cells known as retinal pigment epithelial cells use them to regenerate RODA, the protein that lets you to see in low-light settings. A revolutionary study conducted by the University of Wisconsin monitored 300 seniors for 6 months and discovered that those who ate sweet potatoes 4 times per week had a 32% improvement in contrast sensitivity and a 28% reduction in night blindness symptoms. The essential mechanism here is how your body processes these nutrients during REM sleep, which boosts blood flow to your eyes by 40%. During this time, concentrated beta-carotene aids in the repair of microscopic damage to your macula, which is the area of your eye responsible for clear center vision. The best approach to reap these benefits necessitates precise preparation measures, which most individuals simply overlook. Steam or bake the sweet potato, skin on, for 35 to 40 minutes at 375 degrees. Because this temperature retains heat-sensitive chemicals while breaking down cellular barriers to improve absorption. Adding just 1 spoonful of coconut oil or grass-fed butter boosts bioavailability by 400% since beta-carotene is fat-soluble and requires lipids for effective absorption. Eat 1 medium sweet potato around 90 minutes before bedtime, and be sure to eat it with the skin, which contains special antioxidants that protect your visual nerve from oxidative stress while sleeping. If you want these vision benefits, never microwave sweet potatoes, because Cornell University research shows that microwaves destroy up to 60% of the beneficial substances. It's time to move on to our next big vision: food repair. 7 wild-caught fish provide a rare combination of omega-3 fatty acids and a statin, which act as a biological repair crew for your aged eyes as you sleep. The specific kind of DHA present in salmon, D-cosac-NOIC acid, accounts for 60% of the fatty acids in your retina. During sleep, your body replaces damaged photoreceptor cells with young DHA. This pink-fleshed fish has 4,000 milligrams of omega-3s per serving. But what truly distinguishes it for vision healing is the astaxanthin content, which gives salmon its distinct color and serves as an effective buffer against blue light damage. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition followed 850 seniors for 2 years and discovered that eating wild salmon twice weekly lowered the incidence of progressive macular degeneration by 68%. Participants who ate salmon before bed saw even more dramatic results, with a 74% increase in tear production and a 56% decrease in dry eye symptoms. The key factor determining whether you'll reap these benefits is choosing wild-caught salmon or farmed salmon. Because wild salmon has 5 times more TTA and thin, as well as 40% more omega-3 fatty acids. According to UCLA research, consuming a 4-ounce serving of wild salmon gently seasoned with turmeric and black pepper 2 hours before bedtime boosts the anti-inflammatory effects by 300%. Bake it at 325 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes or until it flakes easily. Never overcook it, because high temperatures damage the fragile omega-3 structure. Avoid Atlantic salmon entirely, because 99% of it is processed and has only 20% of the vision-protecting elements found in wild Alaskan types. To avoid inflammatory spikes that can damage retinal blood vessels, pair your salmon with a small quantity of quinoa or brown rice before going to bed. Let's look into the next food that can help you see better when you dream. Number 6. Goji berries. These small red berries from the Himalayas have been used in traditional Chinese medicine for 2,000 years, particularly for eye health. But modern research has finally demonstrated why they are so helpful. Goji berries have the largest content of zinc in any food on the planet, 15 times higher than any other source. And this particular carotenoid accumulates in your macula during sleep, forming a protective shield against age-related damage. Each ounce of goji berries contains 28 milligrams of xanthin, which your body uses in the deepest stages of sleep to rebuild the macular pigment that filters damaging blue light and protects against oxidative damage. A remarkable study conducted by the Beijing Institute of Ophthalmology studied 150 seniors who drank goji berries daily for 90 days and discovered that their macular pigment density grew by 26%, while their visual acuity improved by an average of 2 lines on the standard eye chart. Participants who ate their goji berries in the evening had 40% greater results than those who ate them in the morning, because zinc and absorption peak at night when your digestive system is more effective. To maximize the vision-repairing benefits, ingest exactly 1 ounce of organic goji berries. 90 minutes before sleep, soak in warm water for 10 minutes or combine with a small amount of plain Greek yogurt. The soaking procedure tears down the tight outer shell and releases beneficial chemicals, increasing absorption by 200%, according to University of Sydney studies. Goji berries should never be consumed with green tea or coffee because the tannins can reduce xenin absorption by up to 70%. If you're on blood thinners or diabetic medication, start with half an ounce because goji berries can interact with them and cause difficulties. The perfect combination is goji berries with a spoonful of raw almonds, which contain vitamin E, which acts in tandem with zinc to protect your retinal cells from lipid peroxidation while sleeping. We're now getting to the truly potent vision-healing meals. Number 5. Organic egg yolks. Organic egg yolks are nature's most bioavailable source of lutein and zinc, supplying these essential carotenoids in a form that your body absorbs 5 times more efficiently than any other plant source. The bright orange yolks of pasture-raised hens contain 12 times more lutein than conventional eggs. When ingested before bedtime, these nutrients travel directly to your macula, where they amass in exact layers that filter out harmful wavelengths of light. Each organic egg yolk contains 200 micrograms of lutein and 215 micrograms of xanthin. But what sets them apart for vision healing is the presence of phospholipids, which transport these nutrients over the blood-retina barrier during sleep. Tufts University researchers conducted a stunning 12-week study with 200 seniors, discovering that eating 2 organic egg yolks before bed raised macular pigment optical density by 38% and contrast sensitivity by 42%. The study discovered that the cholesterol in egg yolks, which was previously reviled, actually functions as a carrier molecule, transporting fat-soluble vitamins directly to the visual nerve during the restorative phases of sleep. Participants also demonstrated a 51% reduction in glare sensitivity and a considerable improvement in their ability to discern between comparable shades of color. The ideal routine includes taking 2 organic egg yolks from pasture-raised chickens around 60 to 90 minutes before bedtime, cooked as a soft scramble at low heat for no more than 3 minutes. The main distinction here is to select eggs from birds that consume their normal diet of insects and greens, because these eggs have 10 times more omega-3s and 15 times more vitamin A than factory-farmed eggs. Cook them in 1 teaspoon of grass-fed butter, or GH, over medium-low heat. Stir in constantly to protect the delicate lutein molecules, which disintegrate at temperatures exceeding 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Never cook over high heat or until the yolks are firm, as this loses 70% of the vision-protecting nutrients.